If you sleep 7+ hours a night and still wake up tired, watch this. 1. Create a sleep routine. Fix your schedule to sleep at 9 or 10 p.m. Before you sleep, eliminate screen 3 hours before bed. Make your room dark and cool. Avoid heavy spicy meal. Wear comfy pajamas. Make it a habit to sleep and wake up at the same time. 2. Hydrate yourself after bed. Keep a glass of water by your bedside. Water is a key to helping you kickstart your digestion. Eliminate the drunk feeling. Help you to flush out toxins, boost your immune. Normalize 2 glasses of water every morning. 3. Manage your diet. You're a product of what you eat before you go to bed. Ensure you ain't overfull. Eat 3 hours prior. Cut out caffeine, alcohol. Cut back on sugar. Snack just enough you have 10x your energy in the morning when you eat right. 4. Prioritize daily exercise. Your body responds well to sleep after a busy day. Follow this simple workout. Do 200 push-ups daily, 10x20. Hit 200 squats, 20 times 10. Do planks, 2 Walk 5,000 steps day. Move your body from time to make it flexible. Sleep is a recipe for sober mental, physical, and emotional strength. Here's why. It sharpens your memory. Helps with body healing. It improves your mood. Improves your muscle strength and boosts your mental health. That's why you need a comfy night's sleep. Do this. 5. Relax your body in the evening. 12 hours before sleep, avoid watching workout, phone, work. Instead, do activities that'll improve your sleep. Write. Meditate. Read for 10-20 minutes. Take a lukewarm shower. A calm mind falls asleep with ease. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe, it makes you awesome.